Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Roomba for carpet you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Roomba for carpet and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Roomba for carpet so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a Roomba for carpet. First, look for strong suction power, as carpets need deeper cleaning than hard floors. Models with higher suction levels can pull out dirt and pet hair more effectively. Second, check the brush type. Multi-surface or rubber brushes work best because they can adjust to different carpet heights and prevent tangling. Third, consider smart mapping and navigation features that let the Roomba move efficiently and avoid missing spots. Battery life and automatic recharging are also important for large carpeted areas. Lastly, make sure the Roomba can handle thick or high-pile carpets without getting stuck. These features will ensure a thorough and convenient clean every time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips.